Okay, we are going to start Cambridge International AS and A level exam 9709/22 for the session February and March 2025. The subject is pure mathematics 2. Okay, let's move to the question number 1. Solve the equation ln 3x plus 1 minus ln x minus 5 is equals to 7. So we have the equation ln 3x plus 1 minus ln x minus 5 is equals to ln 7. Okay, we know that the ln property is ln a minus ln b is equals to ln a over b. So left hand side can be written as ln 3x plus 1 over x minus 5, and this one is equals to ln 7. Taking exponential both sides, taking exponent both sides, we have 3x plus 1 over x minus 5 equals to 7. Now we have this equation. After cross multiplication, we will have x plus 1 is equal to 7 times x minus 5. And this one is equal to 3x plus 1 equals to 7 times x is 7x, and 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. Reaching negative 35 on the left side and 3x on the right side, we will have 7x minus 3x equals to the 1 plus 35. Okay, and this one is equals to 4x equals to 36, and x is equals to 36 over 4, and then x is equals to 9. So we have solved the equation and the value of x is 9.